Hey, what's up guys? It's the TKR007. I went to my Walmart store today and found some pretty amazing 3-packs from Hot Wheels. First pack I found is this one. We have the orange Acura NSX, red Porsche 911 GT2, and this white Triumph TR6 with number 4 and gold wheels. Next up, this one right here, we have the orange Ford Fiesta, a split window purple Corvette, which is fantastic looking, and a black Z28 Camaro, I think. Third one's probably the best one. Look at this. We have a blue Porsche Cayman, a yellow Lamborghini Gallardo, and a black Hudson Hornet. Also got this one. Looks like to be a silver Mustang Mach 1, orange Corvette C7 convertible, and a 16 Angel in green. Last pack we have 2 fantasy models. I don't know the name of these two, but I do know the name of this one. It's a 2005 Ford GT race car in a nice red color. I also found a variant of this 3-pack right here with the Yellow Fair Lady Z. And I also picked up 2 other packs that repeat, but I just can't resist to buy more of these, especially the Corvette and the Gallardo. Also the Porsche, pretty nice. They're just way too nice to let them go. So that's it. That's my 3-pack picked up for today. I will open up these for you and put the cars on the turntable. See you guys in the next time in another stop motion video.